Can you tell us a bit about
what you've been nominated for
and how technology played a role in it. So we have been nominated with a particular program. Our role in this was purely about getting our customers, other colleagues in the government of Jersey, ready for the move into a new headquarter.
We, for the first time, have bought a centralised drone search and rescue asset, very specific drone management and drone mapping software that individually none of the services have had before.
the novel use of a tracking technology to assist in service quality monitoring for parcel and letter networks between Jersey and the UK?
If you had one word to describe your relationship with technology, what would it be and why? Revolutionary.
Okay, all right.
Because we are reviewing our legacy technology and moving into a brand new state-of-the-art building.
The word is enabling. I think the use of technology, the judicious use of technology to solve well-structured problems.
I think developing. So yeah, we go with developing.
How did your use of technology change the way something was normally done? Postal tracking is done using RFID tags. They only work at known points. So the approach we took was to use a tracking device that we put inside a small parcel or small packet that we send, and that allows us to see in real time where things are.
Integration of technology into the day-to-day working colleagues can be a lot more flexible.
I wouldn't say that we changed the way that things were normally done. I think we added a new dimension. In one sentence, what was the goal of your project or initiative? To give those that need the help of the emergency services the best possible chance.
To improve delivery times for items coming from the UK to Jersey or going from Jersey to the UK.
To ensure that the building was technology ready and all our colleagues were ready to move in and then during and after the move operate within the new building.
So how does it feel to be nominated? I think it's rewarding to be nominated.
I think I've got a bit of a sense of pride.
It was huge for us to be nominated and recognised. Super positive.